Nestled in the heart of Scranton, Pennsylvania, Steamtown National Historic Site offers an immersive experience into the golden age of steam railroading. With its rich history and industrial innovation, this unique site promises an unforgettable visit for anyone interested in the era when locomotives were the kings of American industry. As you step inside the park, you are immediately enveloped in the sights, sounds, and sensations of a bygone era. The heat from the firebox, the smell of hot steam and oil, and the familiar chuff chuff from the smokestack all come alive, transporting you back in time. You can almost feel the vibrations of the ground beneath your feet as the massive locomotives come to life before your eyes. The park offers a window into the lives of the people who built, maintained, and traveled the steam railways. Authentic restorations and repairs take place within the locomotive shop, giving visitors a first-hand look at the skill and toil involved in maintaining these mechanical giants. Steamtown NHS offers various activities that cater to all ages, including guided tours, self-guided walking tours, hands-on exhibits, junior ranger programs, park film and museum exhibits, and shopping and dining. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a train aficionado, or simply looking for an engaging outing, Steamtown has something for everyone. One of the park's prominent features is its array of historic locomotives and rolling stock, including the imposing Big Boy Number 4012, one of the largest steam locomotives ever built. The coaches, reminiscent of the commuter trains of old, provide an authentic atmosphere for a truly immersive experience. Not just a static museum, Steamtown NHS offers seasonal excursions that transport visitors back in time. The coaches, without the modern conveniences of heating or air conditioning, provide an authentic atmosphere for a truly immersive experience. Visitors are advised to dress comfortably with good walking shoes and season-appropriate clothing when planning a visit to the park. Steamtown NHS not only serves as a historical reservoir, but also as an urban green space surrounded by the city of Scranton. The unique position of the historic site amid the day-to-day life of a bustling city makes for an aerial overview that is both captivating and informative. Offering seasonal changes, Steamtown is ideal any time of year. Summers can be warm and humid, while winters might be cold and snowy. With this in mind, visitors are advised to dress comfortably with good walking shoes and season-appropriate clothing when planning a visit to the park. Steamtown National Historic Site preserves and pays tribute to a time when steam-powered locomotion was the heartbeat of American industry and transportation. Whether engaging with the past through robust museum displays, partaking in educational programs, or merely enjoying a scenic train ride, there is something truly awe-inspiring at Steamtown that transcends generations and rekindles the marvel of the railroad era. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.